This is Mahmoud Hassan Menas. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view, this is the top view, this is the front view, and this is the right side view. And in the front view, we have a section of AA cut, and this section AA cut view is here. So first of all, I will start drawing from the top view. In the top view, first of all, I will draw a rectangular shape. Then I will trim these two parts, and from that rectangle shape I'll dimension it to 150 by 100. Then I will draw a vertical line here, and this vertical line has a 68 unit. Then I will draw a horizontal line, and this horizontal line has a dimension of 75 unit. Then I will draw an inclined line and dimension it to 115 degree. Then I will close the shape. After closing the shape, I will extrude boss it to 10 unit. Okay, let's see. So I'm selecting the top plane. Now sketch. Now select the corner rectangle. Now place the rectangle here. Now dimension it to 100 by 150 unit. Now select trim option, trim this two part. Now press OK. Now select the line option again. Now draw a line, vertical line of 68 unit. After that, draw a horizontal line and draw a horizontal line of 75 unit. Now it's time for drawing the incline line. When you see the dotted line has been come, now press OK. Click the mouse. So now select this point and also select this two point and make this horizontal. Now press OK. Now select small dimension. Now dimension this line to this line 115 degree. Now select a line and now joint this two line. Okay, so our shape has been drawn. Now in our drawing we can see we have a circular cut, and this circular cut has a dimension of 48 diameter, and it has a horizontal distance of 40 unit and a vertical distance of 50 unit. So I am selecting the circle and placing here and drawing a circle of 48 diameter. After drawing this 48 diameter circles, now select small dimension. Now select this circle and select this line, and the vertical dimension will be 40 unit. So after drawing the 40 unit vertical dimension, now it's time for dimensioning from the horizontal. So the vertical dimension this time will be 50 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 10 unit. Now press OK. So after that we can see we have another shape like here, rectangular shape, and this rectangular shape, if we draw it from the top view, we can see we need to draw a rectangular shape like this one, and this rectangular shape has a horizontal dimension of 75 unit, and this vertical dimension here is the 10 unit. Then I will extrude boss it to 85 minus 10 minus 10, so it will be 65 unit. So now in our sketch, select the bottom face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the corner rectangle. Place the corner rectangle here. Now dimension it to 10 by 75 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 85 minus 10 unit. Now press OK. So then in our shape we can see the section A view. If we see the section A view, we have a rectangular shape, and this rectangular shape, if we see from the top view, this is our rectangular shape, and it has a dimension of 75 by 100 unit, and it has extrude boss of 10 unit. So let's draw it. So I'm again selecting the bottom face of this small rectangle. Now select sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the corner rectangle and place the corner rectangle to this point, and now 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 dimension it to vertically 100 unit and horizontally 75 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 10 unit. Now press OK. Now if we see the front view, in our front view here, we can see we have another section of C, and in this section, see, if we zoom it, you can see we have a circular cut of 6 diameter and it has a extrude cut of 2 unit. Then we have another circular 4 unit. As the total dimension is 10 units, so this length will be 8 unit. So, and we have four extrude cut, and if we want to know the dimension here, so 75 minus 55, so it will be 20 divided by 2, so it will be 10 unit here. And also in the vertically, we have 100 minus 80, so it is 20 divided by 2, so it is also 10 unit. So all the circle are 10 by 10 unit dimension apart from the corner. So for drawing this shape, I will use the whole wizard. So let's see how we will use the whole wizard here. So select the whole wizard option. You can use circle twice time, and you can also cut it as manually. So I select the legacy hole, and from that selecting the counter board, and here you can see this shape is quite similar to our this section C part. Okay, so in here we can see we have a circular diameter of 4, so I am selecting the diameter to 4. Then this length will be 10 minus 2, so it will be 8 units, so the depth is 8 unit. If you see this picture, you can make relate to our this sketch. So if we see the bore diameter, it is 6, so I am selecting this to 6. Then the depth is 2. Now go to position. Now select 3D sketch and now place it in here. So we need to dimension it, so I'm selecting this top view. Okay, from this top view, I am pointing and selecting smart dimension. Now dimension these two. Here it is 10 unit. Okay, and also select this one and dimension it to 10 unit. Now press OK. So we have positioned our first extrude cut circles, so press OK. So we can see the depth here isn't through all, so we need to edit a little. So I'm editing the features. So if we see here, you can see the total depth has not crossed the part, so we need to make the depth 10. Now we can see it is crossing it, the total depth. Now press OK. Okay, now our extrude cut has been done. Now in our case, you can see we have 4 holes, so we need to mirror this. So you can draw manually, or you can draw all 4 holes at a time, then dimension it. I am going to use the mirror tools. For here, for mirroring, I need a plane in here and another plane in here, the dotted line. So first of all, I will create the plane, then I will also mirror it. So I am selecting the reference plane. Now select plane. Now selecting this face and also this face. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now select mirror. As a mirror, for mirroring, select the plane 1 and features to be mirror, whole 1. Now press OK. So this part has been done. Now we have to draw in this part. So I'm hiding the first plane. Now I need another plane along the front face. So I am selecting again the reference, now plane. Now select this side and also the other side. So the mid plane will be created automatically. Now press OK. Now isometric it. Now I will again mirror it. So select the mirror option from here and mirror face or plane. For mirror face and plane, select the plane. Now features to be mirror, whole one and the mirror one. Now press OK. Now you can hide this plane. Now isometric it for better view. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.